Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 18 is linear relationships. It says Cypress has $158 in her bank account. She is saving $12 each week to buy a new scooter. Clifford has $223 in his bank account. He is saving $7 each week to buy a new mountain bike. In how many weeks will they have the same amount in their bank accounts? So I want to know when Cypress's bank account equals Clifford's bank account. And so Cypress has $158 and she's putting in $12 each week. It's what I call the start value and the rate of change. Cypress has a start value of $158 and she has a rate of change of $12 each week. The number of weeks will be X. And we want to set that equal to Clifford's relationship. His start value in his bank account is $223, and his rate of change of savings is $7 each week. So now I have the equation 158 plus 12x equals 223 plus 7x. And now all I have to do is solve it. First, I'm going to put all my variables on one side. So I'm going to subtract 7x from both sides so that I keep my x coefficient positive. 158 plus 12x minus 7x is 5x. On the right side, 7x minus 7x is 0. 0 plus 223 is 223. And now I have a two-step. I'm going to subtract 158 from both sides of the equation. 158 minus 158 is 0. 0 plus 5x is 5x. And 223 minus 158 is 65. Finally, I'll divide both sides by 5 to make the coefficient equal to 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1, or as some people say, it cancels out, leaving me with x. And 65 divided by 5 is 13. So that means in 13 weeks, Clifford and Cypress will have the same amount in their bank accounts.